Let's go, guys. Welcome back, man. Woo! We back, baby. We back. We all the way back, baby. What's up, man? What's good? Strangleheart turned over from tornado storm coverage for this. Hey, dedication is dedication, my friends. And Strangleheart is the epitome of dedication. What's good? Vlad, Ascending Bull, Deadwood, bro, Tiger Man, my dudes, what is going on? Let's get it. Let's go, baby. Who's ready, man? Who's ready? Who's making some money during all this madness that I have not been here for? My apologies. But who's making some money? I expect you guys making some money, man. We got less than 4 minutes. Less than 4 minutes to smash the like. I already know you guys massacred that like button, though. It's okay. Bitcoin ETF, man, we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about the whole crypto frenzy going on. We're gonna talk about it, guys. We're gonna talk about it. What's up? What is up? Less than 3 minutes. Let's go. Sound check, 1 2. Mic check, 1 2. Stream quality check. I'm broke. Strangleheart's broke. Listen, bro, what's going on, man? Tiger Man making 3x, 5x, 7x. Drop those crypto coins you making them 3x, 5x, 7x gains on right now, Tiger Man. Let's spread the word. Don't hold the wealth, man. Share the wealth. Much love to each and every one of you guys, man. Each and every one, man. Destroy that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. I've been away for a bit, but I have a feeling that we're back in action, guys. Bro, absolutely freaking not. Man. Bro. Alright. Oh, it's time to get serious. Less than 2 minutes. I'm feeling delirious. It's been a while. Oh snap. Okay. Less than a minute. 1 second. 1 second. Less than 1 minute. We're gonna get this stream popping off. 1 second. 1 second. Let me prep. Let me prep myself real quick. Real quick. Let me see you drop those fire emojis in the chat if you're ready to get this thing started. Fire emojis in the chat right now. Spam it. What is going on, Jerry DeRomas? What's good, bro? Woo! Like it, share it, hit that subscribe. Let's go. Who's ready to ride? Come on, man. Sparks are flying. Let's see them. Let's see them, bro. Chilling, getting this money. That's... Hey, cheers, brother. Cheers, my man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, man. Y'all ready? Y'all ain't ready. Let's go, baby. Welcome back to Average Joe Crypto, the not so average crypto YouTube channel. But still, we all just human beings, right? We all just human beings, bro. That's what we is. Tiger Man, I appreciate you dropping them gainers. I love it. Appreciate you dropping those gainers. All right. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all more than ready. Y'all are more than ready. I already know it. So let's do it. Let's do it. Somebody give me a countdown, bro. This is epic right now. We're making our comeback, bro. That's what we're doing right now. YouTube try to shut us down, but we're gonna come back. We're gonna follow the rules this time. We're gonna be good little boys and girls, and we're going to freaking make this thing happen. Let's go. Let's go. All the way. All the freaking way. Let's go. I love you guys turning up that chat a notch. I love it. I feel the energy in the chat, man. I feel the excitement. I feel the energy, bro, for real. Let's go, man. Let's do it. Yes, sir. What's going on, my friends? What is going on, my family? It's been a while. I know it's been a while. I know it's been way too long, honestly. It's been just way too long, bro. But welcome in, guys. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. Because I'm sure that there's a lot of people right now that have no idea who the hell we are. Crypto is booming. And we've been around for a while, but been absent for a little bit. We're back. What's up, Crypto Fire? What's up, Mr. Douglas Brooks? What's up, Strega, Deadwood, Tiger Man? Everybody, welcome in, guys. Much love to each and every single one of you guys. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to massacre that like button for me. Just pow, 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 pow. one time. I appreciate it. Man, Tiger Man, much love, much love. I appreciate the good vibes in the chat. Keep it coming, keep it coming. Do not stop it. Love the energy. Let's go. So, guys, yes, where have I been? Well, I've been just, you know, doing my thing, doing my thing, trying to, just make life happen. You know what I'm saying? Trying to make life happen, and that's what we're gonna do. My PP keeps losing. Man, mine too, bro. It's okay though. They do make a pill for that. Guys, by the way, can we get 25 likes tonight? 25 is not much to ask for, I know, but I want to keep my goals, like small. Let's keep them small. Let's keep them conservative, right? Let's go, guys. I appreciate you guys very much. All right. If you've been here, as most of the moderators, they've been here for a minute. They know exactly what's up with my chart, because I actually made this chart like months ago. Months ago, bro, I put this little green box up here. I put this little green box up in here for Bitcoin, okay? This was my target range for Bitcoin based on previous price action, when the price action was down here. Right as we were about to take off of this support here. You can see a nice rising, broadening wedge there. And we did get a nice bounce off of this. What I'm looking at, though, is the potential that, this ETF news gets us to go higher. Now, can we pump all the way to... Can we reach, by the end of 2024, can we reach 100,000? Look, we got a lot to talk about. We got some news to talk about, too. We are going to be getting into some news. I got a bunch of articles pulled up that we're going to look over. But I do want to talk about the price action here because I've been expecting a pullback from here for a long time. So I could be totally wrong. But we are just massively testing this previous price action. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in on this because, guys, look at this, bro. Let me pull out the tools. Look at this, bro. We are massively testing this same area. Well, I don't need another circle there. It's already circled. But massively going to be testing this previous drop down area. I was just expecting a potential pullback correction here. Doesn't have to be massive. Doesn't have to come all the way back down to support. But you can see this is massive support as well. Massive support. Would make sense to test that. You are within this, right? It would make sense to come back down and test that. This is on the weekly time frame, by the way, guys, but does not mean that's going to happen. I'm just giving you guys the potential of what I'm expecting here because of the massive resistance here. Now, could go a lot of different ways, right? Bitcoin ETF could go a lot of different ways. Something happens and it doesn't get approved, right? Something happens, it doesn't get approved. How convenient would that be to get the hell liquidated out of some longs if we did get that pullback in that nobody's probably expecting? Okay, because everybody's so bullish right now because of the ETF. But ETF does get approved. Will it send the price skyrocketing? Potentially. Let's look at the bullish price targets. But first, I do have to talk about something else. Right? I gotta talk about you guys, man. I gotta talk about you guys in the chat. Because you guys in the chat right now are amazing. I just want to say that because dedicated, supportive, and been here since day one, bro. I appreciate you guys very much. Very, very much, bro. So we're looking at the potential for this to really go a lot of different ways. It could absolutely go a lot of different ways. Now, what I'm looking at is going to be, I mean, it could go so many different ways, bro. Let's see. Let me get the chat popped out here. And yes, it is cold as shit in here, bro. It's super cold, bro. Oh yeah, by the way, I totally forgot. Answer the poll in the chat, man. Um, um, will any Bitcoin ETF be approved tomorrow? Okay, we got some headlines tipping off at a potential approval tomorrow. Now, will that get approved, bro? Will that get approved tomorrow? We got a poll in the chat. Let's see what you guys think. Will it get approved tomorrow? We got 11 votes so far. 64% say yes. 36% say no. Keep it coming, man. Answer the poll in the chat. Don't forget to spam the likes and, of course, subscribe if you're new. Okay, so we're going to take a look at this article. And, of course, I want to know what you guys' opinion is. I'm going to pop the chat out, pull it over here so I can see it. Let me do that real quick. Oh, and guys, bro, I'm totally gonna start doing some gaming on the other channel, bro. What's up, Leanne Smith? What's up, Revo? What's good, bro? Ascending Bull is here. Ascending Bull in the house. Better get Rusty's ass in here, bro. Better get Rusty's ass all the way up in here. Okay? Get him out the freaking nursing home. Get Rusty out the damn nursing home, bro. Get his ass up in here right now. All right? Right, bro? Yes, man. We doing the damn thing is what I'm saying. All right, let me pop this chat out. Pop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. All right, I got the chat. And I can see it all. Holy shit, it's a little bit, hold up. But yes, we totally about to start doing some gaming, dude, on the other channel. I'm going to start doing some gaming on the other channel, okay? It'd be not all the time, but it'd be occasionally we'll do some stuff on there, for sure. So, Rusty getting his granny now. Okay. What other channel? Bro. What you mean, what other channel, man? Average Joe After Dark. Alright. Anyways. Let's move on to this amazing bit of news here. Bro, we got I got a little bit too much pulled up, really, but we could probably make it. We can probably make it happen. We might not touch base on every single article for real, but we'll make it happen. Sleeping on them, man. Average Joe After Dark. What is Subnautica? What in the world is Subnautica? I don't even know what that is. Yeah, bro. Nah. Who needs it? So we got this Standard Chartered tipping off a $200,000 Bitcoin price prediction by late 2025 if ETFs are approved. That's a massive Bitcoin price prediction on a big massive if. Right now, we do have other bits of news that's telling us, you know, that other bits of news telling us that, you know, it's likely that this is likely. So we're going to touch base on this, and we're going to bounce back and forth between the charts. But I mean, there is a lot of stuff running into the fact, telling us like that it's possible, right? That this is going to happen. But the thing is, it could still not happen, right? It could still be delayed some more, or whatever, you know. So I'm just saying, people be getting too gung ho, be getting too crazy, and what we got to do is be careful. You know, you ain't trying to freaking bet the house on this, right? That's a big if they get approved. So everybody's being massively bullish. I've seen all the bullish takes on it, but we just got to keep in mind of what could happen if it doesn't get approved. But be ready for both scenarios, because this can literally, this happening tomorrow or not happening tomorrow could literally change the course of the trajectory of Bitcoin's price. I mean, completely. So subscribe to the Freaky After Dark channel. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, it's gonna be a trip. Oh my God, screaming! I don't want to scream. Is it scary? I'm gonna have to check it out though. Okay, so we got Valkyrie co-founder predicts Wednesday approval amid Bitcoin ETF frenzy. It's almost surreal. So Wednesday, tomorrow. But we cannot read the article because I'm honestly not trying to pay, because I'm sure I can find the same exact article somewhere else. I'm not trying to pay that. I'm not paying Fortune. not paying no money to Fortune, bro. But that's basically all you need to know anyways. Predicts Wednesday, okay? That's tomorrow. So that's to be expected to come out tomorrow. Approval or denial, right? So we'll see what happens with that. Now, Standard Chartered tipping off this $200,000 Bitcoin price prediction by late 2025 if ETFs are approved. So the bank made the forecast based on its expectation. Keywords in here, lots of keywords to pay attention to, on its expectation that spot Bitcoin ETFs could attract inflows of 50 to 100 billion with a B dollars in 2024. Okay. That would be beautiful, right? That would be fantastic. Multinational bank Standard Chartered predicts that Bitcoin could reach nearly $200,000 by the end of next year if, big if, Bitcoin exchange traded funds are approved and are successful in the United States. It's still a big if to me, but the bank based the price prediction on its assumption, keywords here, assumption, that between 437,000 and 1.32 million Bitcoin will be held in the United States listed spot Bitcoin ETFs by the end of 2024 alone. Bro. Massive. The firm estimates this to equate between 50 to 100 billion dollars in inflows. Another big keyword here, if. If ETF related inflows materialize as we expect, we think an end 2025 level closer to 200,000 USD is possible. So still a lot of ifs and assumptions, and you know, the keywords that I really don't like. I'm not fond of that stuff. I like some more concrete evidence that this thing's going to get approved. We're still banking on this, right? Either way, man, it's still a matter of time. We got the halving coming up in April. It's still just a matter of time. My question is, will there be another big pullback similar to what we had like 2019, for example? That's my big question, right? So anticipation building on the Bitcoin ETF approval. So when will the Bitcoin ETF get approved? Is the Bitcoin ETF going to be approved tomorrow? As soon as tomorrow? There's a few different ones, three different ones, I believe. Let me get a little bit organized here. Let's see. All right, so we can get rid of this, right? We got that. Okay. Some more keywords here, guys. Some more keywords. SEC's decision on spot Bitcoin ETFs could go a few different ways. Okay. The agency is widely expected to okay the first funds to hold the token, but there are no guarantees. Keywords, no guarantees. All right, can I get a like for the keywords? No guarantees. Okay, still, there's a bunch of ifs, assumptions, no guarantees, a lot of words that you don't like to drop your money on, right? Like you really want to test this out when they're sitting here telling you to your face, hey, you know, we have the potential to manipulate the hell out of the market right now just by delaying this or approving it. We've done it before. We can do it again. So be cautious, guys, is all I'm saying. Not financial advice. I don't do the financial advice. I'm just telling you to be cautious with this mess because, man, I've seen it time and time again over the years with the Bitcoin. Well, you know how many times, bro, do you know how many times this keyword here, do you know how many times this keyword right here got people wrecked in the past, bro? Like, this has gotten people wrecked in the past. I mean, it's made people money, don't get me wrong, right? Buy the rumors, sell the news. Okay, anyways, I don't want to get too bearish, right? Let's not get too bearish because, you know, nobody likes that, right? Yeah, so pullbacks are nice, though. Pullbacks are blessings. Don't forget that. All right, we're going to bounce back. We're going to bounce back to this in just a second. We'll bounce back to this in just a second. But first, I just need one like, you guys. Just one like from each of you guys that haven't hit the like button yet. Thank you to everybody that has. Man, I appreciate it very much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and if you've made it this far. Appreciate it very much. Yes, sir, that is you guys in the chat hovering over a Lambo in space. Yes, that is correct. All right, now let's jump right back into it, bros. Oh my. Oh my. All right. Restore that chat real quick. All right, I have to go to the bathroom real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. What's going on? Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Is that Savage T in the house? $46,880 currently Bitcoin. Oh my. What you trying to do? What you trying to do? What is going on? What is going on, Savage T? What is going on? I love it, man. We got the whole crew. What's up, Tastu? Man, shout out to each and every one of you guys, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. I love my AJC squad, bro. And to the haters, what's good, man? You know, doing what I do best, making that fashionably late comeback, and it's real. It's the real deal, bro. Let's do this, man. We're gonna analyze this just a little bit more on the short term. All right, just for the live stream purposes. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Because we potentially, on the 15-minute, got a potential breakout coming very soon to a chart near you. If you're looking at Bitcoin on the 15-minute, I mean, you can tell we're squeezing. Woof. Got that massive break here, though. Fake out to the bottom. Wicked it up quick on the 15-minute. Ready for this next squeeze, this next breakout coming soon. We should get to witness this happen here very shortly. You're slightly above the POC. Previous resistance. Bro. If it does break out of this, man, on the 15-minute even just the 15-minute time frame is still a decent breakout of this if it pops. Right? Bro, that's 48,000. 48,000 even almost would be the measured move target of this. So, like, legit. I like it because obviously 48 resistance. 47.9. Come on, man. I had it right there. So perfect. But yeah, 48, bro. Absolutely, Deadwood. I got you, my man. I got you. I got you. Bro. So, yeah, on the 15-minute Bitcoin looking like it could potentially break out of this to the upside. And if it were to, we're looking at a $48,000 price target. Let's look at the downside, though. Right? Like, let's at least, you know, speculate the downside action here. Potentially, oh my god, would you look at that? Measure move to the downside is going to line you up perfectly with the previous fake out target right there. Like, you've already kind of touched base on this target technically on this drop here. So really, I don't consider that the breakout though, because it didn't hold, right? You bounced right back up inside the pattern. So this is already support, right? So why would you need to come down and test it for a second time if you break out of this? Technically, I think this has already been tested. I think Bitcoin is primed. We might be ready to go to 48. Now, 48 is still not the top of my box, bro. No, wait, or is it? Let me zoom in over here. I'm pretty sure my top of my box lines up with this previous wick over here right before we broke down to the downside previously. So the top of my box I thought was above 48. Let me zoom in and check. Yeah, 48,200. So right at it. Right at 48, but 48,002 really. 48,200 is the resistance that I'm looking at from back here before we dropped bearish. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin's resistance to break. If it does not break 48.2, you could chop. You could get up inside this box. You could chop here in between these support and resistance levels. But 48.2K going to be the breaking point for me. If it breaks 48.2K, then you're looking at this run here potentially, and that could be massive. That's insane though. I mean, but this Bitcoin ETF approval potentially tomorrow, so they're saying, that could set this off and prime this up for this move. Okay, but a denial or delay could prime Bitcoin for a break of this uptrend support. Look at this though. Look at this chart, bro. Appreciate the TA one time. Okay, because guys, like, I'm pretty much touching base on every single support and resistance level that's critical here for Bitcoin and for you to be paying attention to, like, literally. Okay, you got a lot going on, I know, but I'm sure that anybody that's been in crypto long enough and TA long enough and watched videos long enough knows what you're looking at here. Okay, let me just circle a few things. But I mean, okay, you have this support and this support, which created this line here, right? And then you've got your resistance, which created this line here. And that gave you your rising broadening wedge, right? Which is the major pattern there. And then you also have this support line here, excuse me, which not only lined up this support, this wick here touched, this touched, you broke support there, caught support on your other support line from back here, bounced off of it, got back above this support line, and now you're still carrying up on that middle support line, bro. You're still bouncing and holding off that middle support line, 46,882, pushing it, but you're still holding on that middle support line right there. Bros. Bitcoin right now, I mean, it is prime, bro. It's totally primed. I mean, I like this support line because this kind of creates also a rising channel, right? Still kind of broadening, but pretty much a rising channel there. And I mean, the resistance line for that to break, if you break through these areas here, I mean, that's going to be way up here. Oh, and this is something key I wanted to point out as well. Okay, let me get rid of these lines. Let's see. So this is something key I wanted to point out. Bitcoin trying to break above resistance on the short term, but back to this chart, because so if you look back here and you look at our previous bull market tops back here, you can see they're at a slant, right? An upward slant because of the fake out to the upside we had there that faked everybody out, thinking this time's going to be different, right? Because it went above the previous all-time high and that had never happened. But we still went into the bear market. Anyways, that created a trend line of resistance right here. And if you look, I mean, if you look right here, our resistance line from our channel down here, I mean, it crosses past right here perfectly, bro. That would be like ideal. You're looking at anywhere from like $85,000 to $92,000 up here for resistance, potentially for that. And that would break the previous all-time highs. And so that brings me to that article that said 30% pump would breach all-time highs. Now think about that. Think about that for a second, okay? Let's see. So 30% pump would not breach. I mean, the article said 30% pump would breach all-time highs. Close to it, maybe break a 30%. 48% pump would breach previous all-time highs. 48% pump. Think about this for a second. A 48% pump for Bitcoin. ETF approval. Bitcoin ETF approval. You don't think that Bitcoin has the potential to do that? I mean, we've watched more happen than that, right? If you've been in crypto long enough, you've been through bull cycles. You know a 48% pump is really nothing. It's really nothing. I mean, we've talked. I mean, even for Bitcoin, I know Bitcoin ain't like an altcoin, but a 48% pump for Bitcoin on some major news that people have been waiting years for. It's absolutely doable. Is it going to happen tomorrow? I don't think that's what's going to happen. I know there's articles, there's headlines, there's all these keywords and buzzwords and everything going off, but we'll have to wait and see. It's really all a big if. Even the news articles were saying if the ETF is approved. So it's all still up in the air, really, guys, until tomorrow. We got 3 different ETFs that are in the works for being approved tomorrow, so they say. We have to wait, though. You can't bank everything on this news because it can be so easy to get wrecked by the manipulation in the market. So be careful, be cautious. But what I did want to just give you was my opinion based on my chart analysis that I've been doing for a long time, right? We called this target range here for this box. We called it a long time ago. So will I be correct? Will I be correct? Months ago, guys, months ago. Don't believe me? You can go to my Twitter and you can look, bro, at AVRG Joe Crypto on X, formerly Twitter. But when are we gonna be able to stop calling it formerly Twitter? Like, we all know it's X by now, so like it's X, which is still weird. It sounds like well, if you come from where I come from, you're like, you hear somebody say X and you're like, yeah. Anyways, okay, but if you scroll way down, bro, like if you scroll way down, then you can see okay, right here, bro, right here, December 23rd. Okay, but I had this little drawing in way before December 23rd though. I had that in way back. I think I posted it on Twitter. If you keep going all the way back, I had it way before that. Like I'm talking like 3 months ago, bro. But if you look, but if you do look at this, you can see that I had this drawn in. This screenshot was taken a while back, but you can see that I had this same chart that we've been looking at drawn in months ago, bro. But this screenshot was posted on X on December 23rd. However, I had this going way before then. You can see the price action was still down around $28,000 when I had this target put in here, guys. Okay? You can see that perfectly, right? The Bitcoin price was at $28,224 when I had my target range box already up here in green, right? This was my target range box in green with this drawing, the same exact drawing still drawn in there when the price was at 28K. All right? Same thing. When the price was down here, bro, when it was bouncing off my support line, I was like, bro, this is my target range. And look at where we're at. I'm just saying, bro, we hit it perfectly, guys. Okay, my target range from literally months ago, we hit perfectly. The only question now is, will the Bitcoin ETF approval skyrocket the price past my target, or will the Bitcoin ETF approval or denial or delay timing perfectly execute my target here and get my correction like I'm expecting at this level between $45,000 and $48,200. I'm anxious to see, right? Like, I mean, obviously, if we get like 2 or 3 Bitcoin ETFs approved, if we get 2 or 3 Bitcoin ETFs approved, then this could absolutely push the price up, and we only need a 48,000 or 48% price move for Bitcoin at the current price level to get it above previous all-time highs. That's insane. That's insane to only need a 48% move to get us all the way above previous all-time highs to create new all-time highs for Bitcoin this early. That would be insane. Now this is on the weekly time frame, keep in mind, so this could take weeks and weeks and weeks to do, right? But still, that's insane. Ty Stu, I appreciate you, bro. Enjoy work, Savage T, and welcome back to the Deadwood. Welcome back, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. My foot's going to sleep. I'm not gonna lie. It's going to sleep. I might have to get up and walk around for a second. Hold on. Bro. Yeah, hold on. Bro. Bro. I literally I had to walk around for oh shit. I had to walk around forever. Um just to get my leg to not go to sleep, bro. God, it's ridiculous. Okay, bros. We all waiting on a pullback. But everyone buying the rumor. Sorry, I had to turn it up. like that. that was pretty lit for a second. Not gonna lie. I like that. We are all waiting on a pullback, but everyone buying the rumor, bro. Selling the news. Everybody about to sell the news. They about to sell the news, bro. They about to sell the news. Watch. About to sell the news. All right, man. Listen. What is going on, bros? Listen, as of right now, Bitcoin's literally not doing anything. Okay, it's literally not doing nothing. Not doing diddly. Okay, as of right now. So, with that being said, what's up, Venom S, bro? What's good, bro? What's good, guys? What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome. Welcome. Bitcoin literally not doing diddly right now. Sitting at a nice 46.8. Nice 46.8K. Bro, it's not doing much movement at all. Kind of just right up in my box. Just trading there right up in my target range from a few months ago. And we're just kind of chilling, waiting to see what the next move is going to be. Because we're at a critical moment right now in Bitcoin history, bro. Like, massively critically important moment in Bitcoin crypto history. Okay. If a Bitcoin ETF is approved, I mean, could we see that push Bitcoin above previous all-time highs? We're only 48% away. We only need a 48% move to the upside for Bitcoin to breach previous all-time highs. Could a few Bitcoin ETFs being approved not do that? Think about the money coming into the Bitcoin market if these Bitcoin ETFs do get approved. Could it do it? But we do have rumors of 3 different Bitcoin ETFs scheduled to be potentially approved tomorrow on Wednesday. So right now we got 17 votes on the poll, which is great. That's phenomenal. Thank you, guys. Will any Bitcoin ETF be approved tomorrow? 76% now say yes. Earlier, guys, it was all no's. So it looks like some people in the chat had a change of heart. We got 76% of the votes saying yes, they believe a Bitcoin ETF is going to get approved tomorrow, guys. What's that mean for Bitcoin's price action tomorrow? We're going to take a look at it tomorrow. I will be live tomorrow as well, guys, and we will take a look at it. The SEC could approve Bitcoin ETFs anytime. True. What's up, Venom S? Welcome back, bro. I appreciate you being here, my man. And yes, you guys are in the chat hovering over your next future space Lambo, okay? Because we're going into the bull market, so we got to have space Lambos, bro. We got to have space Lambos. If we're going into the bull market, we got to have space Lambos on the screen. I mean, it's just, you know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. I just want to say it feels amazing to be back, bro. No. Humble thyself. Humble. We must stay humble. If it's anything the bear market teaches us, the bear market teaches us to be humble. Does it not? Does it not? Can I get a thumbs up emoji in the chat if you agree? Can I see a thumbs up emoji in the chat if you agree? Bear markets teach us it's important to be humble. And go. What if they disapprove the ETF? What if they disapprove the ETF? Bro, if they disapprove the ETF, what if they approve more than just a Bitcoin? Exactly. There's so many what ifs right now in this situation that it's like, it's hard really to just, it's hard to be like, okay, I'm 100% guaranteed positive that this is bullish, right? No. This is a perfect opportunity for them to manipulate the hell out of the market, right? Liquidate all these fools that are going long. And then, I mean, now I'm not saying that it won't go south, that it won't go north, but it could still go south, right? There's no guarantee. There's no guarantee at all that anything's going to get approved tomorrow. And we got these rumors, these headlines on the news articles saying, hey, three Bitcoin ETFs scheduled for approval tomorrow. It's like, bro, I'm too skeptical, bro, of everything. I'm too skeptical of everything. So I'm always like, okay, well, who could benefit off this more and in what ways, And I'm like, okay, it's not the little guy. It's not the average Joes, okay? You know what I'm saying? I mean, dude. Okay. Did not know I could do that. Absolutely, bro. Um, um, we may have a slight issue here. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think we're back. Are we back? I think we're back. Bro. I'm not sure what happened there. Totally not sure what happened there. Okay. All right. Mic check. Oh, that might have been loud. Mic check 1 2. Mic check. Mic check. A little bit of difficulty there. Slight difficulties. Slight difficulties. Tiger Man, appreciate you. Good to go. Stregoheart, what's up? There's a storm forming. Florida to New York, plowing the U.S. Great. Let's go. Let's go, Storm. All right. Let's get into it. Let's do it. Let's get into it. Let's do it. Let's get into it. Let's do it. Man, I'm telling you though, there's just too much. There's too much going on. There's just too much going on for me to be so positive and so certain, right? Like, there's way too much happening that it's to the point it's like we can't really bank anything on any of this news anymore because it's just simply used as a way to manipulate the markets, in my opinion. Like, I mean, it's so easily done, right? It's so easily done to manipulate the crypto market.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being
so like, you just got to be careful. You know, you should always be careful in crypto, but right now is like an even more important time to be cautious as ever, right? Cautious as ever, because as this article says here, SEC's decision, the Security and Exchange Commission's decision on spot Bitcoin ETFs could go a few different ways, okay? A few different ways, okay? That's the key thing to pay attention to, a few different ways. Okay, be cautious as ever. That's all I really need to say. You guys are not stupid, but obviously you're here. But for real though, there's so many bulls out there, man. It's just, it's almost too bullish. You guys know me. Forever and always a skeptic. Forever and always paranoid. Forever and always, okay? Don't trust the soul. I'm just saying, that's me. So, I'm always going to be your guy to go to if you ever feel like you're the only one that thinks the way you do. Because no, I probably think the way you do. Okay? So it can go a few different ways, man. Obviously, it can go a few different ways. These articles, man, this is the only one I like. I do like this because this is honestly my idea too as well. I'd say bull market top. I'm saying 200, 250. Potentially, I mean, very conservative. Potentially 180, 180,000. I do have charts that, I've got some analysis I'm going to do some videos on and stuff. And I'm dead serious. With some analysis that does point to potentially these price targets in the next bull cycle. It's like everybody thinks we're already in a bull cycle, and it doesn't make any sense. We are technically, we're not going to see no lower lows than the bear cycle low, I don't believe, but it doesn't mean that we're just going to keep going up, guys. Right? Some people I feel like it's just going to keep going up. Does not mean it's just going to keep going up. So We're going to get right into it, though. We're going to jump right back into the charts, man. And then I will take some coin suggestions here in just a little bit. Let me see what time it is. Okay, we're good to go. I got just about 30 more minutes to hit up some altcoins for you guys. And, of course, take a look at that short-term Bitcoin price action as well. All right. Let's go. Bro.
Thanks for the candy basket. Oh God, another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so
You can tell the anticipation is heavy right now for tomorrow because Bitcoin right now not really doing anything. So you can absolutely feel the anticipation in the price action, even all the way down to the 15-minute time frame. You can just feel the anticipation in these people, in these traders, man. Look at this, how tight the price action's staying, even on the 15-minute, still not breaking above that resistance or breaking down below that support, even on the 15-minute time frame. This is going to be a massive little wedge to break out of once it ever does on the 15-minute time frame for Bitcoin.
Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night.
I agree, bro. I think I told you guys this before in the past, in past live streams, man. Like one of my biggest regrets in the past, especially getting into Bitcoin or getting into crypto in 2018, my biggest regret was not buying and holding more Bitcoin. I bought mostly altcoins in 2018, and man, I should have absolutely bought. Honestly, I mean, I made some decent gains on Ethereum and Chainlink and Tezos and Atom, but even made some gains on Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Cardano. But I would still be more satisfied if I had have bought more Bitcoin and just held the Bitcoin and not even touched it, just forgot about it, threw it on a hardware wallet and forgot about it. That would have been the best option for me, honestly. And then diversified a smaller amount into some altcoins, maybe not have made as much gains in the altcoins, but would have had sustainable growth with the Bitcoin though, you know, like versus the altcoins dropping and losing like everything and getting crushed. Some of them not even coming back. Some altcoins will not make it, but a lot are going to make it. And I want to do a video or potential live stream soon, pretty soon, on the sleeping giants that I believe are sleeping giants in crypto right now, because the next bull market's going to bring them out of their sleep, and I think that they're going to really perform well. So we'll talk about those in a future video or live stream.
Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Got up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong? What fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Absolutely, bro. I put it this way, bro. I invested long time into synthetics. Then all of a sudden they removed the max supply and made it inflationary. I jumped ship from alts when that happened. It's deceiving as F. They can just change the max supply. That is, wait, they shouldn't, how can they do that? If it's a max supply, they shouldn't be able to do that. Like Like AJC coin has a max supply of 100 million, and I can't change that. I can't change that, bro. Oh, the community voted for it. Like the holders voted to change the max supply. What the hell, bro? What's wrong with these people? I don't understand though. I mean, I guess if it, yeah, well, I mean, I guess if it's open source, right? If it's open source, then I guess you could go in and change it. That's crazy, bro.
I've got an itch I can't scratch. I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me. An open wound scar to see. Everybody comes.
Tiger Man, I'm still in synthetics. Nice, bro. I mean, I expect that y'all's entry points are massive. I expect. Honestly, I remember, but I don't remember. But I remember enough to know that they're massive entry points. Like, it doesn't really matter what the bear market low is. What matters is what the next bull cycle top is. You get what I'm saying? Like, it don't really matter. Like, even if like, you know, the bull market low, like, you might have been in a loss, you might still be in a loss, but you won't be in a loss if you pay more attention to what's coming, right? What's coming, the next bull cycle top. Definitely. $0.15. See, bro? Yeah, if you're up, man. If you're up. I try never to leave money in USDT. It sketches me out sometimes, bro. Yes, man. It's like I feel like they're like just no different than like an infinite money printer too. Like, I mean, but maybe I'm totally wrong about this, but you know, it just seems that way. It's like I would be sketched too, bro. Let's go, man. 13 likes, bro. I appreciate that very much, bro. Yes, sir. Tiger Man, Chainlink should do well during the bull run. I do totally agree with you, my man. I love me some Chainlink, some stanky lankies. Chainlink has been a top pick for me for a long time. It's one of the first altcoins that I bought in 2018. You guys know that. Chainlink just one of the one of them coins that I do believe as well is going to do massive in the next bull cycle run. Crypto market explosion. This just looks set up and primed, bro.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm
all right, guys, we are about almost getting close to an hour and 30 minutes in. I'm going to take a quick intermission. Just give me just a couple of minutes. I'll be back. I'll take some altcoin suggestions from you guys, and I will do a few quick updates on some altcoin picks from the chat. Okay, give me just a couple of minutes. I'll be right back. Hold down the fort, guys.
I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm back. Baby, I'm back. Lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent, I'm gonna take shots. If I miss off, forget it, I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, need some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking fight me.
Bros, We're back. We are back. We are back.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back.
All right, guys. Yo. I will go ahead and take some suggestions. Look like Tiger Man already threw them up. Index, LCX, Filecoin, GRT, and LV. Okay. Let's go, Link. Let's go, Chainlink, baby. Let's go. I totally agree, bro. Let's go. Okay, so Tiger Man said Index Coin, LCX, Filecoin, GRT, and what is ILV? Illuvium, right? Let's go, man. Let's pump the likes if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button one time for the one time. Let's go. Index coin for you, bro. On the 4-hour time frame, index coin looks like it's trying to break its downtrend, but it's not having much luck here. It's just trading out sideways through it. So real no real breakout on the 4-hour there yet. I mean, not a confirmed one anyways. You are above this moving average, but you're below the indicator. So let me zoom in on it a little more and see what it's doing right here. Because look at this resistance, man. This stuff right here is critical. That's some legit. And some legit support action too, man. You got it going both ways here. Definitely got it going both ways there for index. Major breakout, even though it's unconfirmed. Still think it's possible this thing goes to the downside though. If it did go to the downside, you're gonna be looking at like, I mean, it's not gonna be too crazy, but $2.30. But for sure, if it breaks the 285 mark, Vlad, yo, I just realized I probably still have fourth token somewhere on a hard drive. I need to find it. Nice. Banking on that. All right. Um, All right, the Bitcoin 15-minute time frame finally getting this squeeze in. We're getting closer to the tip here of this wedge. Looking for a breakout here shortly. I'd say within the next couple of hours, we are going to get a major, decent-sized move out of this. Will it breach $48,000? Yet to be seen, but we will find out. I will also be live tomorrow. Not sure if I'll be live tonight. If I am, it's probably going to be pretty late. It might be kind of late if I do go live tonight, but for sure tomorrow, I'll be live tomorrow. But this is just the beginning. It's a fresh beginning, right? It's a fresh beginning. So much love to you guys, man. Everybody that's been here since day one, bro. Like literally everybody that's been here since the beginning of time. You guys are incredible. $20 votes in the poll in the chat right now, and 70% of you guys said yes, a Bitcoin ETF is going to get approved tomorrow. We shall see what the price action brings for Bitcoin tomorrow. And I'm telling you right now, we are all the way back up in it. All the way. All the way, baby. Let's go. I'm not even playing. We are all the way back in it. Ain't no coming down. All the way. All the way. All the way. Oh. All the way. And you guys made it all the way with me. So much love to each and every one of you. Let's go, baby. To the wayside, to the downside, to the downside, to the downside, to the downside. Bitcoin gonna go down, 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 down. Bitcoin gonna go down, 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 down. It ain't up no more. It's going down, down, down. The bulls are about to get wrecked. They about to get wrecked. Oh snap! Bro, we got 13 likes, not 4. Bitcoin about to get murked. Bitcoin get to get shot down. It's about to get and the bulls fizzle out. See, this guy knows what he's talking about, bro. And the bulls, they about to fizzle out. They ain't coming down. Ain't no coming down. Ain't no coming down. Ain't no coming down. Ain't no coming down. Ain't no. Nah, I'm just kidding. We ain't going nowhere, bro. We going straight to the moon. 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 Yo, you know I'm back when I bring the auto-tune on. Ain't nobody really know what's going on. That's okay, you just hopped on. Now you about to go and pack up a lie. We about to be back. I'm about to show you what's up tonight. Let's go. Let's go. I didn't see any grilled eggs. Not yet. No grilled eggs on the grill yet, but I promise if you stick around, you gon' feel this. I know what you want. I know what you came for. I'm just about to... Anyways, I'll save that for another time. All right, bros. Listen, I love you guys, man. Much love, much respect. to each and every one of you guys, because you guys are absolutely incredible. I love you guys, bro. Will Alf have a pullback under $2? Alpha. You know that show? Wasn't there a show called Alf? Wait. Absolutely, man. Love you guys, bro. I will see you guys soon, for real, though. For real. Expect it. Expect it, bro. Expect it. Let's go.